In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Elementor, the popular WordPress page builder, to help you elevate your website design effortlessly. We're diving into the setup process, so you can start creating stunning, responsive websites without a hitch. First things first, let's make sure we're on the same page. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You need to access this area as it serves as the control center for all the plugins and themes you might use, including Elementor. If you're not sure how to find it, try visiting your website's URL and adding wp-admin at the end. Once you're in, welcome back to your website's backend. Once logged in, move your mouse to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a range of options. Look for Plugins and click on it. The Plugins section allows you to manage new additions and existing tools that expand your site's functionality. In the Plugins screen, you'll see several buttons, but the one you want is labeled Add New. Click it, and you'll be taken to the plugin marketplace. This is where the magic begins. In the search bar on the top right corner of this new page, type Elementor. Pretty soon, you'll see Elementor Page Builder among the options. It's usually the first or second choice that pops up because of its immense popularity. Look for the one with the right icon. That's the official Elementor plugin we want. Once you see it, there should be an Install Now button next to Elementor. A single click on this button will begin the installation process for Elementor directly onto your WordPress site. The installation should only take a few moments. Make sure you don't navigate away from this page until the installation is complete. When the installation finishes, you'll notice the Install Now button changes to Activate. Click Activate to turn on Elementor for your site. Activation is the final step that makes Elementor fully functional. Once activated, you might see a welcome message from Elementor with introductory tips and features. At this point, congratulations are in order, because you've successfully activated Elementor. Before you dive headfirst into designing, here's a quick tip: take a moment to explore the Elementor interface. Understanding its layout will tremendously ease your design process later on. Look through available widgets and familiarize yourself with their capabilities. By getting comfy with these features early, you'll enhance your creative workflow. And there you have it. You've learned how to activate Elementor on your WordPress website, setting the stage for truly dynamic web creations. From here, start experimenting with different layouts and styles. Don't hesitate to explore the wealth of tutorials available for creating pages with Elementor. With practice, you'll soon discover just how transformative this tool can be for your web projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!